You are welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel before we go. As I used to tell you in my environment, the way barbers use their clipper blade, very critical. Can you stone professionally, logically, technically, correctly? Okay. When you know much about this one, when you buy sharper, you will find it very easy to use. By step, the way you can sharpen this clipper blade neat and very. So let me go for the bottom clipper blade now. The sharpening, can you see how this inner surface is? They are free right now. Yeah, can you see it now? Can you see it? You see the black carbon form across from the left hand side to the right hand side for the upper and the bottom clipper blade in the front and the back. Can you see? Which means this clipper blade have been sharpened correctly. That is why I'm telling you, what sharper can do, I can still use super hard sharpening stone to do it better. Yeah, even if you use sharper to do this kind of blade, it has to take you time. Yeah, it is a rotten blade. They have used it, repackaging, the hole is too much there. The hole is too much. The upper clipper blade has drilled inside of the inner part of the bottom clipper blade.